Okay, let's do this. So let's be honest, AI made designing and building free. So what actually matters now? Everyone is talking about how AI is making it easier to build everything, but almost nobody is talking about what happens next after you build that prototype. Because when building becomes free, building stops being valuable. So what actually matters now? You know, recently Dylan Field from Figma, he said something that stuck with me. He said, if an agent can do it for you, it can do it for anyone and everyone. And he's right. Today, anyone can generate product ideas, design interfaces, write code, ship prototypes, all of this in hours. So if everyone can build, why will some products still win? And the answer to me is very simple. The bottleneck has changed. It is no longer ideation and creation, it is selection. AI can generate 100 ideas in seconds, but it cannot tell you which one is worth building, which one will fail, which one actually matters. That part is still on us. You know, there is this philosopher called Willem Flusser who talked about this long before AI. He said, we think we use the tools, but actually it's the tools that shape how we think. Today, our tools can generate infinite possibilities, but they also define what we see, what we consider, and what we choose. So now we're in a strange situation because we have more options than ever, but less clarity than ever. And that's the problem. This is what I'm starting to realize. Most teams don't have a building problem anymore. They have a decision problem. They generate ideas, run experiments, ship features, but they don't have a system to answer why this and not something else. So what happens? They move fast, but they move fast in the wrong direction. And this is something I've seen again and again working with enterprise product teams. You know, especially in large companies, there is data everywhere, dashboards everywhere, tools everywhere, but decisions are still slow, unclear, and political. And now with AI, this is getting faster, but it's also getting messier. So I started thinking, what is the real problem? What if the real problem is not building? What if the real problem is deciding? And that's why I'm building my startup, Bettta. Not as another AI tool, not as a builder, but as something else. A system for making better product decisions. Because in this new world, AI gives you infinite options, but someone still needs to compare them, challenge them, reject most of them, and choose one. And right now that process is completely broken. So here comes the thesis. This is an idea that I'm exploring. The companies that win in the AI era won't be the ones that build the fastest. They will be the ones that decide the best what to build, if that makes any sense. So this channel here is where I'm going to explore that. You know, building beta in public, testing ideas, taking notes, talking to founders, and trying to understand how we actually make better decisions in a world of infinite possibilities. So let's just see where it goes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to follow this journey, please subscribe, and I see you in the next one.